Greetings, my friend of shared destiny. Did you know that an incredibly special moment takes place every night, just before you sink into dreams, yet most of us inadvertently overlook it? In ancient meditative wisdom, Zen masters understood a phenomenal secret. It is these few fragile minutes that hold the key to how your body recovers throughout the long night. We still believe that simply closing our eyes is enough for cells to be repaired and the nervous system to be reconstructed. But what few realize is that this deep healing process must be activated before you actually fall asleep. If the mind is still at war with anxieties or endless thoughts, your body will never receive the ceasefire command to truly recover. The masters never try to sleep faster. Instead, they perform a simple act to bring the entire body into a sacred state they call the healing state. Join me in discovering that secret right now. When the night becomes a dedicated healer, imagine the night not just as a pause for all things to rest, but actually as the greatest maintenance workshop of life. When you sink deep into slumber, the parasympathetic nervous system rises, commanding the release of restorative hormones to regenerate cells, and the brain begins a grand purification to clear away toxins accumulated throughout the day. This is when the vitality within you is refilled. However, an ironic paradox is taking place in the bedrooms of modern humans. Many of us inadvertently carry the dust and noise of the world into our beds. These might be worries about unfinished work, the harsh aftershocks of an argument, or vague fears about tomorrow's scenarios. When the mind is still in such combat, your nervous system becomes trapped in survival mode. Though the physical body has lain down and the eyes have closed, internally, the brain is still sending out red alert signals, causing the door to the healing state to be slammed shut. Zen masters from thousands of years ago saw through this silent law with the eyes of stillness. They understood a profound truth. Sleep itself does not directly heal the body, but rather, your state of mind at the very threshold of sleep is the command that allows recovery to begin. Because they thoroughly grasped this, they preserved a brief yet powerful ritual to seal the old day and fling open nature's treasure trove of healing. Sealing the old day. The secret of absolute safety. Through thousands of years of contemplation in the stillness of mountains and forests, monks reached an ultimate truth. Your body only begins to heal deeply when the nervous system truly feels safe. The miracle of recovery does not come from effortfully forcing yourself to sleep, nor from trying to relax in a strained manner. It only appears when your entire being receives a definitive signal that today has truly ended. The masters call this the art of sealing the old day. Imagine, if we end a day in combat with unresolved thoughts and emotions, we are inadvertently sowing seeds of storms into the soil of sleep. But when you know how to close the book of today with complete letting go, the body immediately understands the danger has passed and automatically activates the workshop to reconstruct vitality. Because they understood this subtle knot, the monks preserved a 3-minute ritual that is incredibly simple. It requires no physical strength, yet it is the key to issuing a ceasefire to the nervous system, helping you enter slumber enveloped by the healing state. 3-minute ritual, a peace command for life. To untie the knots of tension and open the door to recovery, I invite you to perform a peace treaty between mind and body through 3 sacred minutes, right on your own bed. Minute 1. Soothing the nervous system with silken breath. Begin by lying very still and taking a natural breath through your nose. Then, in a very leisurely manner, exhale a little longer than your inhale. You don't need to try to breathe deeply or strain to control it. Just let the breath flow out light as a breeze passing through an old bamboo grove. This act of prolonging the exhale is a biological code sent directly to the vagus nerve. It whispers to the brain, "You are safe. The enemy has retreated. Now is the time allowed for rest." After only about 60 seconds, your heart rate will automatically slow down, and the entire nervous system shifts into the parasympathetic restorative state. This is the first passport for you to enter the land of healing. Minute 2. returning to care for the temple of the body. When the breath has become smooth, let your attention wander around your body. Do not try to change or fix anything, simply feel the relaxation of the facial muscles, the shoulders dropping, the chest rising and falling gently, and the soft abdomen sinking into the mattress. Becoming aware of the body in such a tolerant way helps your mind leave the noisy thought streams outside to anchor itself in the present. When attention is placed correctly, excess and turbulent energies will begin to settle. You will clearly feel the weight of your body being fully supported by the mattress, creating a sense of solid grounding and deep stability from within. Minute 3. Sealing the old day and complete letting go. This is the most important moment for you to truly end a chapter of today's life. Do not analyze what has passed. Do not calculate for tomorrow. Simply remind yourself with a powerful affirmation, today is finished. Imagine every event, every word, and every worry of the day fading away like fragile clouds passing through the night sky. You do not need to solve the whole world at midnight on your bed. This internal gesture sends the strongest signal to the nervous system that the workday is closed, all files have been sealed. It is at the moment you sincerely let go of today that your body officially receives the supreme command to begin the work of recovery and regenerating vitality for the new day. The trap of craving when effort becomes a barrier. However, my dear friend, there is an invisible barrier that we often build ourselves as soon as we begin to practice, the craving for results. Many of you unconsciously turn this 3-minute ritual into a new task that must be completed. You lie there and silently pressure yourself, I must sleep faster, I must feel peaceful immediately. But you need to understand a subtle truth. In the world of healing, the more you effort, the further away it stays. When you try to achieve a certain state, you are inadvertently waking up the harsh supervisor in your brain, creating a new layer of tension, even more wearying than the first. Zen masters understood this very well. They do not perform the ritual to seek better sleep or instant refreshment. To them, this is merely the act of dropping the heavy luggage of the old day before stepping through the threshold of darkness. They do not care when or how sleep comes. They only care about letting go. When you truly let go of all desire to control the outcome, sleep will find its way to you like the most natural and sweet gift of heaven and earth. Total surrender, the threshold of miracles. After closing the 3-minute ritual, learn how the Zen masters surrender the entire body to the night, absolutely no effort to sleep. You only need to lie still, gentle as a leaf that has just fallen into a stream, letting the current carry you away without the need for oars or a rudder. If sleep comes, receive it as a gift. If not, just enjoy this pure rest. The most important thing you need to engrave is, at this very moment, your body has officially entered the healing state. In that silent space, the heart rate leisurely soothes every blood vessel. The brain is loosened from the strings of tension, and the immune system quietly rises to perform its great mending mission. The miracle of recovery does not wait until you are fast asleep to appear. It has been operating silently from the moment you sincerely let go of the steering wheel. Just let yourself dissolve into the protection of the night, for the internal regeneration workshop is working gallantly for you. Healing is a state, not an action. My dear friend, we often mistakenly believe that healing is a goal that must be conquered through effort. Yet, Zen masters understand an entirely opposite truth. Your body has already known how to recover itself since the beginning of time. It does not need you to teach or urge it. It only needs you to return it to a proper condition. That ideal environment is created from the stillness of the nervous system, the letting go of the mind, and a sense of absolute safety spreading throughout the physical form. The fragile moment before the darkness envelops everything is the door leading into that sacred state. You do not need complex techniques or wearying exertion. Just a few silent minutes to seal today's page and surrender your entire being to the present. When you sincerely lay down the sword, you are creating a fertile space for vitality to flow. Trust that your job is to let go, and the body will silently complete the remaining great mission while you are fast asleep. Tonight, let yourself be enveloped in the purest rest, wishing you a long night of peace and a morning of awakening in the fresh form of awareness. Greetings, my friend of shared destiny, and see you again.